Welcome to this video on the binary number system, also known as base 2, a fundamental concept in digital electronics. Binary, the language of computers, uses only the digits 0 and 1. The binary number system is a mathematical system that uses only two distinct symbols, 0 and 1. With a base of 2, everything revolves around this number. This system is the core mechanism behind every computer operation. Binary is crucial because computers do not understand human languages or decimal numbers. They only understand binary. It's the foundation for designing digital electronics hardware, like processors and logic gates. Using just 2 digits makes it incredibly easy and reliable to represent electrical signals. Let's understand binary digits, or bits. The word bit is short for binary digit, represented by 0 or 1. Bits are grouped to form larger units. 4 bits make a nibble, and 8 bits make 1 byte. For example, the binary sequence 10,110,010 is 1 byte. A great real-life analogy for binary is a simple electrical switch, or a light bulb, which has only 2 physical states. State 1, the switch is ON and electricity flows, is represented by 1. State 2, the switch is OFF with no electricity, is represented by 0. Just as the decimal system uses powers of 10, binary uses powers of 2 for place values. This table illustrates the place value starting from the rightmost digit, representing $2 carat $0, $2 carat $1, $2 carat $2, and so on. To convert binary to decimal, we use the place value concept. For example, converting 1010 base 2 to decimal involves multiplying each bit by its corresponding power of 2, then solving and summing the values, resulting in 10 base 10. Decimal to binary conversion is often done using the division by 2 method. You continuously divide the decimal number by 2, recording the quotient and remainder. Repeat until the quotient is 0. The binary number is then read by collecting the remainders from bottom to top. Let's practice converting decimal 13 to binary. Dividing by 2 repeatedly gives us the remainders. Reading the remainders from bottom to top. The binary equivalent of decimal 13 is 1101 base 2. Binary is applied across various technologies. In computers, all data, like images and video, are stored as zeros and ones. Mobile phones use binary machine code. Digital circuits rely on microprocessors with on/off transistors. Networking uses high/low electrical signals for data transfer. The binary system offers several key advantages. Its simple implementation allows for easy creation of electronic circuits detecting only 2 states. It is highly reliable, with fewer data reading errors compared to a 10-state system. Finally, it's perfect for Boolean logic, making hardware processing fast and efficient. In summary, the binary system is a base 2 system that operates on powers of 2. It uses only 0 and 1, representing ON and OFF electrical states. It is the digital backbone, the universal language powering all modern digital technology. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, keep growing.